कितनी बड़ी ताकत अपने आप को समझता है वो, कितना पैसा है, कितना बड़ा मीडिया उसका। चल सके उसका झूठ? नहीं चल सका, झूठ नहीं चलता, कभी भी नहीं चलेगा। और हम हक पर हैं तो हक की हमेशा फतह होती है। रास्ता दुश्वार हो सकता है, तवील हो सकता है, लेकिन हमारे ईमान में, हमारे यकीन में कोई शक नहीं है। व्हाट्स द प्रॉब्लम? देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम। वी आर गोइंग टू विन, द स्टेट विल प्रिवेल, द पाकिस्तान विल प्रिवेल इंशाल्लाह, एब्सोल्युटली नो डाउट।
Sardar Burhan from Kuwait News. We have seen use of Afghan soil by India to export terrorism into Pakistan. What is our counter strategy to that, and also what are our expectations towards the Afghan government on the issue?
देखिए, ये जो अफगानिस्तान की, माय डियर फ्रेंड, व्हाट यू हैव आस्क्ड फ्रॉम कुवैत न्यूज़, लेट मी गिव यू अ पर्सपेक्टिव ऑन दैट. This is again part of that very age-old Indian strategic thought that your neighbor is your enemy and the neighbor of your neighbor is your friend. It stems from that. The Indians have tried since creation of Pakistan to use Afghanistan as a base of operation for instability inside Pakistan. So this is what they have tried in each successive era that has been in Afghanistan. Whether it was under the king, whether it was once the communists were there, whether it was once the Taliban were there, whether it was after post-Taliban, after 9/11, once there was another sort of government over there, whether it's now. So this is a consistent pattern.